Still using basic earbuds for your music? It's time for an upgrade. Galaxy Buds 3 bring clearer sound, improved active noise cancellation, and a sleek, comfortable design built for all-day listening. In this video, we'll take a quick look at their key features and how they perform in real-world use. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the Galaxy Buds 3 with a wireless charging case, charging cable, and user manual. Want to grab the Galaxy Buds 3 from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. Smart features? Reimagined design, engineered for incomparable sound. Feel the difference with our all-new open-type earbuds with a snug, angled fit to seal in sound. Our new angular design has been meticulously crafted based on 3D ear data collected from a computational design tool to check for wearability. It's made to optimize sound and minimize ear canal pressure, making it ideal for day-to-day wear. Delve into your personal soundscape with Galaxy AI-assisted adaptive EQ Adaptive ANC. Based on individual ear shape and wearing habits, our AI-boosted algorithm analyzes sound detected through the inner and outer mics in real time. Take the guesswork out of sound setting with ANC. Whether you're enjoying the latest shows, on a call with your bestie, or listening to your playlist, listen with the right adjustments wherever you go. With Galaxy AI, understand the world like never before. See the translation on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone, and simultaneously hear your conversation interpreted in real time through your Galaxy Buds 3. Discover what it means to be truly free of language barriers. Control your audio settings without needing to touch your phone. Simply say a command, such as next song or volume up, and let Galaxy Buds 3 do the rest. Mindfulness comes with daily practice. At the press of a button, teleport to a worry-free world of your own with Samsung Health, powered by Calm. Alleviate stress with peaceful melodies from nature. Improve your focus with white noise, or relax with ASMR content for a happier, healthier you. Specifications. How to charge. Gently insert both earbuds into the case until they snap into place. Ensure the charging contacts align properly inside the case. The earbuds will start charging automatically as long as the case has power. Use the USB-C cable to connect the case to a power source. Plug one end into the case and the other into a USB power adapter or port. Charging through a cable is fast and reliable, especially when the case is empty. Place the case on a key-compatible wireless charging pad. Make sure the indicator light turns on to confirm wireless charging has started. This is a convenient method if you prefer a cable-free setup. How to pair. Open your phone's settings and enable Bluetooth. This allows your phone to search for and pair with wireless devices. Ensure it's not connected to other Bluetooth audio devices. Open the charging case with the buds inside. Press and hold the pairing button on the back until the LED blinks white. This means your buds are now discoverable to nearby devices. Go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and tap on Galaxy Buds or Team Boz from the list. Wait a few seconds for the devices to connect successfully. You may be prompted to confirm or allow access. Tap Pair or OK. Download the Galaxy Wearable app from the Play Store. Android only. It allows you to manage settings, customize touch controls, and install firmware updates. Using the app enhances your experience and gives you greater control over your Galaxy Buds. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Galaxy Buds 3. See you in the next one.